Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's maths lesson. And today's lesson title is Fractions, 1/3. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to understand that a fraction is an equal part of a whole, halves and thirds of a shape, understand the concept of a unit fraction, third. And for today's lesson, we need the words fractions, third, equal, partition, and whole. What is a fraction? Let's recap. A fraction is a part of a whole, like a piece of whole pizza or a whole pie, right? Now, a fraction is also a part of a set, like a dozen of cupcakes. Look at here, look at this fraction. Can you read this fraction? Can you remember? How we read it? Excellent, 1/3, amazing. Today, we are going to learn about how to divide a shape into equal parts. For the parts to be equal, we need to make sure they are all the same size. Look at this pizza here. Let's pretend that 3 friends want to share this pizza. So we want to make sure that all the 3 friends get equal part, right? Because we want to make it fair. Now, we cut it into 3 parts, right? 1, 2, 3. So now I cut the pizza into 3 parts. When we cut the pizza into 3 parts, we can say we cut the pizza into thirds, okay? We cut it into thirds. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 parts, so we cut it into thirds. Now, let's count in thirds. 0, 1/3. I have here 2 pieces of the pizza, so I have 2/3. And when I have a 3/3, it will make a whole, right? The whole pizza, which means 1 pizza, right? What fraction is this? What fraction is this? Come on, how many shaded parts out of how many parts? Yes, we write it like that. Why we write 2? Because 2, it means the number of shaded parts, and the 3, it means the total number of the parts, 1, 2, 3. So I write 3. The number of shaded parts, how many shaded parts? 1, 2. It is colored, it is shaded, right? So 2/3, 2/3. 2/3. Look at here. I have this rectangle and we cut it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, right? Now, what part of this shape is shaded? 1. 1 out of what? 1 out of 3, right? Only 1 part is shaded out of 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So we write it as like this, 1/3, 1/3. We write here 1 because we have only 1 colored or 1 shaded part. And out of how many parts? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 parts. So we write it like this, 1/3. Okay, now it's your turn. Come on. Which picture shows 1/3? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Think. And remember, you can pause the video if you want extra time to think. Excellent. Number 2. Well done. Now, what fraction is this? Think. How many parts we have? In total, 1, 2, 3. So the total is a 3. How many shaded? 1. So which one is the correct one? this time? 1/3. 1/3. Come on, try it again. What fraction is this? Now we have 3 parts in total and 2 parts are shaded. So, 2/3. You're doing super amazing job. Now I want you all to get your copybooks and do the classwork. And this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you inshallah in the next lesson. And assalamu alaikum.